Hello there, fifth graders. It's Miss S here. I am so excited about your social distancing hope project. I think it is absolutely wonderful, and it's so relevant to what we're all living through today. So, I chose a book that I thought went along really, really well with the whole idea of that project. So, the book that I'm going to read to you today is called Be Kind, and it's by Pat Zietlow Miller and illustrated by Jen Hill. It's kind of a simple little book, but a very, very important message for us all. Today and every day, not just because there's social distancing and we're isolated and all of those things that are out of our control are happening, but kindness is so important every day in our lives, right? So, here we go. It's called Be Kind. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday. All over her pretty dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too, but Mom always tells me to be kind. So I tried. So she was feeling totally embarrassed, right? I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple's my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin? Let her borrow my sweatshirt? Spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind anyway? Maybe it's giving. Making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi, who lives alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. He might win races in them too. Maybe it's helping. Putting dirty dishes in the sink. Boy, I know that we can all help out around the house a lot with our families now, right? Cleaning up after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe it's paying attention. Telling Desmond I like his blue boots. Asking the new girl to be my partner. Listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle, or saying, "Thank you," "Bless you." My mom says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Hey, Kayla. What's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi Mandelbaum. Being kind can be hard too, even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. So you guys might be experiencing that a little bit at home right now. You might be asked to help younger brothers or sisters do some of their schoolwork, right? Good opportunity to practice patience. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her, because I know she likes purple too. Aww. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do too. And together, they could grow into something really big. Something really big. So big that all our kindness spills out of our school, spread throughout the town, travel across the country, and go all the way around the world. And boy, that's one thing we have found out with this coronavirus, that we are all linked together in this world, right? So we might as well be sending those kindnesses around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind again and again and again. And there's Tanisha putting up that picture on her wall that her sweet friend made for her. I really hope you enjoyed that story. You know, I think that we're all feeling a little powerless these days. But you know, if we reach down inside ourselves and extend kindness to everyone we can change the world one kind deed at a time. I can't wait to look on that website and see what you guys get up to with your kind deeds. I wish you all a kind day. Take care of each other, and I'll see you soon.